You want to call for equity, you don't come with clean hands.
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
But all the camp between MPP and NDC, which is good. Look at results.
You should come.
Mean, what's the minister got to say a man take? Me not say I'm a seminar. CCC for young graduates. Many John Kumanya. I dare make catch you almost omonkoton. I spoke about bamboo. Its economic effect and benefit for people who want to invest only one idea. It is a Obi who say the building and construction industry is booming. No catch I say aboba ukoko urema ebe boawa. Ebe boawa.
Akuma FM 87.9.
Look at in terms of the idea Jumaba, the Mahama yoye and the Momayo. Ya kwachi bisia bisi terminal 3. Bisia ni GNO. Ade ni kreti sika mani tua ne ho ka. Menya kufu ado bakra nya mu adwuma ayo. Eye do to free shops. It creates employment directly. Ya kwachi sika, ne na ba beji kejetia. Kejetia obi otum bia watua ka. What you say? Enipa nya mu adwuma ayo. Phase 2 nuko akaw. Be 1 month no nya adwuma o. Follow up.
Yeah.
Be 1 month no nya adwuma.
Workers na laid off.
Akuma FM 87.9.
And these are near ma. Edisika eba economy. Look at airport here, Shasi. We are and also disika beba. Look at the National Communications Authority building. And now mama juma mu ye koso edisika eba. Look at the Lands Commission infrastructure area, registered rural buildings. Adie bia mama J bisia di yo Ghana bia do. A more immediate direct impact. Essential no ka. Ne free kufu ni kwa nkuma bresu ni de mahama ne atamas baginya na 120 billion. What 500 billion? What the year den kire bi. E die na kufu ado agi sika ya yo Ghana.
87.9 Kumasi.
O see industrialization. Industrialization you ni je dan yes here so awe na che. E ka 1 district 1 factory no. O mai na mama ne pamatare dada. O ko see signboard of furu. No come to twetwe bia de ma no. O see ye collaboration. Wakadri amamuo. What the point I'm saying? So Ghana for Kahwasema, the alternative, I'm not saying NDC we are saying, but the NDC alternative in terms of results, data, figures, inflation was less than 17% under NDC, and now they're 53. We see hope would 53 than maybe they're 17. Debt to GDP ratio. Debt to GDP was around 56%. We won 103. Who's the hope? 103. Maybe they're under 56. No. So the figure speaks for itself. The data speak for itself. Results na NDC yeah na enye no. Who do compare MPP there na? Na me NDC so abafo. Eti yeah there na nyo, but I 10 times better than who there no. Eti Ghana form fa ho kire fa bonsam ketwa. What the point I'm trying to say? Na me say, my catch your offer. Said the way I am mini amabu no. Yeah, but now 4 years, yeah, because some of us will quit politics. Yeah, but 4 years, now see me impacted positively on the lives of Ghanaians. Then some of us will have no business in quitting politics.